Hello guys, so leo nimeamua tutembee Furaha Traders. Yeah, is a furniture mart iko hapa Nyeri County, so they have the best quality furnitures guys. So kama hizi ni viti, that one is a 5-seater, same na this guys. So if you want any like kitu kama kiti, yeah, you see them, they are good, they are the best. Yeah guys, so wako na mob. We have this, it's a 5-seater. Yeah, you can visit them at Nyeri County ama pia unaweza wapigia simu 0723 yeah 575248. We have said it's 0723575248. So that one is a 5-seater guys. You see them? Yeah. Ni vitu poa, ni vitu poa poa. Yeah, we have this bubble seat. Yeah, you can see it. Yeah, hata bila kuambia unaona ni kitu poa. So that's a set of 5-seater. Yeah, they have them in variety. Pia guys, we said feel free kukam na your own design wakutengenezee as you wish. Yeah, unaleta order tunakutengenezea guys. So uliza swali, ask anything because we have it all guys and we got you.